What is the most famous breakfast in India? And then everyone say Italy and dosa. Why do people eat Italy and dosa for breakfast? Okay, let's try Indian breakfast today. This is my story of breakfast in India.
I wanna try dosa today, so that's why I'm go now. Okay, let's go, let's go. Hello. Dosa. Dosa is really famous food in India.
Today I came here to eat dosa with my Indian friends. Finally, we found dosa restaurant in street.
Hello, hello, hello. Wow, dosa. This is dosa.
Do you know dosa? Dosa is thin savory crepe in South Indian cuisine. Dosa are served hot, often with chutney and sambar. Dosa are popular in South Asia as well as around the world. But I never tried dosa before, so that's why I want to try today. I was so excited.
This one is chai.
Yeah, chai.
Wow. What is that?
Idli.
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 Idli is good?
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Wow, this one is like idli. It's famous food. Still,
Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
South Korea.
Idli.
How much is idli?
Kesari baat.
What is that?
Kesari baat.
Kesari baat.
हाँ. Sweet रहता है sweet.
Oh, it's famous.
हाँ.
Wow, this is dosa, right? Wow, so big.
I wanna get dosa.
चटनी सांभर डालो. Plain masala dosa.
Plain dosa.
Plain masala dosa.
Oh.
dosa, masala dosa.
What is good? What is this one? What is this one?
भाई parcel हो गया.
Can I get masala dosa? Wow, this is like mine.
Fortunately, I got permission to go into the kitchen.
Ready हो रहा है. एक मिनट.
So, I'm going to show how to make a dosa.
What is this? What is
Cha.
cha? Chai.
Cha.
Chai. Oh, performance. My friends pay for me. Say, I wanna say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is your name? I forgot.
Deepak.
Thank you, Deepak.
Anyway, I found something else. This is idli.
इन्हें दोस्त लोग पकड़ो ना. भाई.
What is your YouTube channel name? Kelly Korea. Kelly Korea.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll follow you.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
Dosa. This is my first time to dosa. This is spicy.
हाँ पैसे.
I don't like spicy.
थोड़ा.
Little bit.
हाँ थोड़ा.
Okay, tora. I think tora means like little bit. Wow! Wow!
The crepe is then filled with spicy potato and onion filling.
Hello. Thank you so much. Wow, so hot.
They serve crispy masala dosa with coconut chutney and sambar. Okay, let's try.
Thank you. Eat. This is like dosa, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's try.
Right.
What is inside?
Inside 1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute. Okay. Wow!
Inside masala.
Wow! Okay, okay. Inside your masala. Wow!
Better.
Wow! Okay, let's try it together, okay?
If you eat dosa, you have to eat with your hands. And then tear it off and just eat in small bites.
Like that.
Masala dosa are crispy, soft, savory, and healthy as well. If you dip into this sauce, it's fantastic.
Can I try it?
Yeah, yeah.
What is that?
Idli is also famous breakfast in India.
This is sauce. Oh, nothing! We are different.
Also, this is my first time to try idli, so I was excited.
Sauce! God, I love this one before. This is really good. Wow. This one is a little bit spicy.
Sweet, sweet. Sweet.
I love too much. Acha! Acha! Thank you so much, dosa. I really like it. Also, inside there are. What is that? Potato. It's really soft.
Inside potato was so smooth.
Wow. Ah. Beautiful. Inside really soft and outside is crispy. Dosa is best meal, I think. Do you like naan? Do you like Indian food? Do you like curry? You should come to India. Right. India is best. Best food in here. You eat many. I love dosa so much.
Stick.
Ah, you eat. I eat. What is your favorite food? In
Favorite food? My favorite idli, dosa.
dosa. This is your favorite food. Oh my god.
Sometimes breakfast.
Breakfast.
Idli dosa. Idli dosa, poha.
This one. Wow, so good. Let's dip in the sauce. This sauce is a little bit sweet, so that's why I love it.
What you want? Chutney more?
I love it.
Idli is a rice cake that is thin. It has a soft and spongy texture. The reason why I love idli is fluffy texture. I love it.
Thank you.
Same or same this?
Say this one. This is spicy. Wow, I love dosa. You know, if I compare to Korea, this is better. This is much better. I'm sorry, Korea, but here food is much better.
I wanna ask something. Do you like Korean food? Many people have a stereotype that Korean eating wears spicy food, but I don't like spicy food. So, sambar was a little bit spicy for me.
좋아요. You know, I'm not gonna lie. This is the best meal I had in here. Finish.
And I heard that dosa has a lot of protein, right? It's so nice because it's full of the protein and it's delicious. Finally, I finished my meal. Anyway, what is your favorite breakfast?
Namaste. Wow, this one is Thai. Thank you so much. Cheers. Wow, little bit different. What I ate yesterday, little bit different. I love your chai. Good, really good. Thank you so much. You're Angel? You're Angel, right? Now I got it. Why people really like Thai? Hot weather, hot Thai. It's best combinations. If you like milk tea, you really like it.
Yeah.
Right. Also, you know, when I drink this, I feel like relaxed. Wow. Really good. Wow. Thank you so much, bro. This one is otu laksa, right? Otu laksa?
It's
Otu laksa.